dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and embodiment of wisdom, prosperity, and auspicious beginnings. The Ganesh Vandana not only showcases the rich cultural heritage of our land, but also symbolizes our reverence and gratitude towards the divine. Let us open our hearts and minds to the divine energy that permeates this sacred performance. May the blessings of Lord Ganesha inspire us to overcome challenges, foster unity, and lead us towards success and fulfillment in all our endeavors. Without further ado, let us welcome the performance as they grace us with their mesmerizing rendition of the Ganesh Vandana. A huge round of applause for the performers.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय ग्रन्थभट्टाय भोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय दत्ताय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि